Here and say hi to camera. Hello. Say loudly, say loudly. Hey. Okay. Now you just tell me your name and where are you from, ma'am?
Чего?
Имя откуда?
Анна, город Пермь, Russia.
My name is Eldo, I'm from Kerala.
Ebisan from Kundapur.
Varun from Kundapur.
Suhit from Goa.
Ma'am.
Larissa, Russia.
Anton, Perm.
Okay, now just take your paddle again and do forward. Move forward all.
Мы не плывем. Раз. 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 Два. Раз. Два. Раз. Два. Раз.
Stop, everybody. Just stop. Okay, guys, just see here again and just go for swimming. Come on, jump. 1, 2, 3, go jump.
Нет, в смысле?
Ma'am, you also. Very good.
Oh!
Охеренно.
Woo!
How do you feel?
Russia.
What's up?
Okay, sir, just come this side. Come this side, ma'am. This side.
Hey, come on, boy.
Hello, guys. Just hold your hands. Just hold your hands and make a circle.
Hold your hands. Руку вот все держите. Вот. Антон! Да грибу.
Just make a circle.
Где ваша девочка?
Печенье вырвали.
Okay, sir.
Вот вам вдвоем.
Hi to camera, everybody. Okay. In this river, one of the biggest rapid and first rapid, this one. Okay. The rapid name is the Addis Beard. It's like a beard shape. Are you guys ready for this rapid? Come on, say loudly once again.
Rapid это когда пуск, вот много воды быстро падает, это называется rapid.
Come on, have we go to forward.
Раз, два, 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 раз, два.
Fast. Okay, now stop, everybody stop and get down. Just look at on front side, watch on front side. Come on, get back and do forward again. Forward.
А что все вы приколе?
Sir, do forward. Don't stop paddling. Keep rowing, everybody.
Раз, два, раз, два, раз.
Okay, stop, everybody. Just see on front side, back side, and just say hi again. Now tell me, how is it?
Very good.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Come on, do forward again. Come on, all do forward. All do forward, sir. Forward, front to back. Faster. Fast. Okay, stop, get down. Okay, get back. Again to forward all, forward.
Yeah.